Okay, this is all I got left of what I cooked. You know why? The person who recording this here, he ate some, and the lady that's in the room, she ate some, and I ain't gonna lie, I ate about three pieces. See, I can't wait. I can't wait till I get done with these crispy fries, man. This is what's up. This is what's up. Woo! Red, Pooh, Crystal. Hey, I'm sorry. Y'all wasn't here. I'm only sorry. But man, look at this. Look at this. Crispy. Crispy. Check it out. Look at her. That is the bomb. Let me show you. Okay. I hate to do y'all like that, but I gotta do y'all like that. Trey, you know, ain't as good. You know what, Trey? You know it. Woo! One more bite and I'm about to get up out of here. I mean, tender, juicy. I'm gonna name this room the Patton Recipe because it's so good. You can't just eat one bite, Trey. You know that. You can't eat just one bite. You gotta keep on and keep on and keep on and keep on till you get full. Woo! Rooney, how did it taste? Already. You know, I apologize for y'all. I apologize for eating this on camera, you know, but
my name all out.
Yep, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Y'all just heard I'm calling her name all up, but you know, it didn't take that when I said, well, Rooney, you want to taste this special chicken. Chicken, y'all. The only thing wrong with this chicken is, am I going to have enough room to finish these fries? All right then, y'all. Talk to y'all later. I got to eat. Sorry about that. I apologize, but I can't.